and I'll go do it. Somebody recharge, send me 2 trophies. Y'all know I don't give a fuck. I'm like, hey, I'm a name. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Like, I'm so concerned. If y'all want the scoop, I'll get out, honey. Y'all better send me 2 trophies. Shit. Y'all be wanting drama so bad, y'all better send it, honey. I'ma put on a mask. Y'all know I'm smart. Girl, it's muted because I'm far away. Like, I'm like in a good spot. I'm at a good spot, but y'all can hear. Y'all see? Oh, they getting arrested. Oh, that's the woman going outside. I'm not getting out the car unless I get 2 trophies. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'll get out the car, y'all. Y'all better send me 2 trophies. Oh shit. Hey, excuse me, sir. Can I ask y'all a question? I'm a neighbor here. I just wanted to know what's going on. Is everything okay? Okay. Whew, I'm so concerned. Jesus. They didn't want to talk to me. They didn't want to talk to me, y'all. They said, yeah. Like, what the fuck is going on? Y'all, send me a trophy and I'll run out. I'll go jog. Well, I can't jog at nighttime. That looks suspicious. Yeah, nature boy outside. Oh, thank you, Dior. Oh, shit. Okay, y'all, I think we need one more trophy before I get out. We need one more trophy before I get out the car, y'all. Be fair. We need one more trophy. Oh, shit. Dream. Oh, my gosh. Okay, I'm about to get out. What the fuck happened? No, I'm just trying to understand. Like, what the hell? Y'all, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. We're live with Channel 12 Bigo News. We're live. Let me flip the camera real quick. Commercial break. We're live with Channel 12 Bigo News, y'all. Charlie is here with the fucking tea right on the spot. We're live here. Channel 12 Bigo News, y'all. Charlie with the motherfucking tea is here. Yes, yes, yes. We are here. We're live on the scene. Bigo with the tea. Yes. Y'all, I'm not on the property. I can be right here. I'm within my rights. I'm not bothering them. I'm letting them do their work. I just want to know, as a neighbor to my society, I want to make sure everything is good. You see what I'm saying? Can we get a crown, angels? I'm trying to get to my second box. Shit. Hey, what the hell? Thank you. Thank you, love. Thank you, baby. This shit is crazy. Find a neighbor to talk to. I need to talk to a neighbor. Shit. Damn, y'all. Let me know if y'all see a neighbor out here. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. Hello?
Charlie, did somebody come out there?
Oh, no, girl. Catch the tea in the comment. Thank you, Liz. All right, y'all. I got closer. Shit. Hello?
Charlie,
Hey.
Charlie, you can actually walk up and tell them that's your brother. He know you, so Nature Boy is gonna tell them you okay to come up. Walk up and tell them
Hell
that's your
no.
family
Girl.
member.
Girl, no. Girl, okay. If anybody come over here and try it, you see how many feds is over here? I don't care. Ain't nobody finna try me. Okay, y'all, we're live. We're live here on reporting live with Bigo News Channel 12. Charlie with the T, y'all. I'm out here giving y'all a sacrifice. I'm cold. It's freezing outside. I'm literally shaking like a crackhead. Can y'all put me in my third box? Thank y'all. Oh, girl. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for the gifts. Girl, I wasn't prepared for this field trip. I just got off a date, y'all. I would have came with my jacket. Like, no, girl, don't tell them to stop gifting. Kick that person out. Kick the person out that said stop gifting. Why would y'all say that? Like, what? Yeah, I went to old lady game. Okay, y'all, we back on the premises. Let's pay attention. Okay. So what's happening right now? Somebody is seen at the door, covered by SWAT. Damn, I forgot your admin was gone. Shit. Thank you, Pumpkin. Oh, they got a neighbor. Shoot, I'm gonna talk to him. Dang, I wanna talk to him. Y'all, should I talk to the neighbor? Oh no. Dior, comment again. Dream, can you comment one more time, please? Dream, comment again so I can give you admin. Hurry up. Hurry up, girl. Please, hurry up. My attention span, where you at? Dream Dior. Girl. Oh my, where is she at?
Charlie,
Thank you, Noni. What's up?
Charlie, I think you should. Charlie, I think you should. I think you should go and say, I've been on him for since social media. And what happened here?
That's what I'm trying to, yeah, I'm trying to see. Something I can help you with, sir? Yes, I know the person, I'm just trying to see. You don't live on this side, up over here, if you don't mind. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
What they say, Charlie?
Girl, hold on. Damn, shit. He said if I don't live on the street, just move my car. I'm acting like, hold on, hold on.
Don't show nothing on your car, Charlie.
Yeah, I'm not. That ain't even my
Oh.
That ain't even my car. Damn, this shit is crazy. Like, damn. Trust me, these people wouldn't do it. Don't do it. I ain't doing nothing, girl. Hold on. Go act like you know the numbers. I know.
Shit, I would go ask the neighbor. I wouldn't talk to the police.
They need to send them people back to their families. All right,
Charlie,
Pumpkin.
they need to.
I'm gonna drop. Yeah, y'all. His neighbors, like the neighbors, was watching everything. So, mm, no, y'all. I'm actually going to my car and I'm gonna move back because I just don't want my car to be fucked up and stuck up. You see what I'm gonna listen to the black officer? He must have told me that for a reason. I'm gonna just act like I live across the street and I'm gonna come right back. I just want to make sure my car is not over here because hell no. Y'all, can we get some trophies, y'all? This the commercial break. Reporting to you live from Channel 12 Bigo News. Can y'all give me some trophies? Bitch, I deserve it. Shit. The fuck? I came from a date straight to hell. I came from a date straight to hell. But y'all can't say I ain't give y'all no exclusive footage. Period. Oh, a lady just pulled in. Shit, I should have just asked her. Damn. I hate this fucking road they live off of. Damn, where the fuck can I park? It's like that whole fucking thing. Oh, maybe I should just go back in as like a, they not gonna tell. You know what I'm gonna do? Bitch, we turning right back around. Hold on. Cause the car just entered in, bitch. Hell no. I'm about to go back around. They bringing them out? Oh shit, I gotta hurry up. Let me turn back around. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fuck. Shit, I'm going. Gotta get this. This is what I came for. This is the footage I came for. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. I needed to get this footage. No! Okay, I'm pulling back in. Y'all, somebody send me a trophy. Send me some crowns. We coming back on the scene. Bitch, we coming back on the scene. I'm coming. Oh, this motherfucker is still out here? Damn. Okay, y'all, I gotta sit right here for a minute until the black officer move, okay? You see that black officer right there, y'all? That's my enemy. The one right there, you remember when Pumpkin said something and my dumb ass said something? Okay, so I'm gonna come out now. I think the coast, hold on, let me wait. Let me wait. Turn off the lights. Bitch, I don't have no lights on. Hush. That's somebody's car. Oh, there they go, there they go, there they go. Shit, let me get out the car. Fuck, this is too fucking scary. I don't deal with these pigs. It's too much 12 out here. Hold on. Y'all, stop telling me to zoom in. I was clearly walking. There go the girls, y'all. Oh my God, there go the ladies. Screen record this, y'all. Is that them? Oh, oh shit. Oh, these are the feds. These the feds. Oh my God. That's a detective. These people been watching. That's your boy. Oh my God, there go the girls, y'all. There go the ladies. There go the females. Oh my God, I'm gagging. Oh my God, y'all, I'm gagging. I'm gagging. Y'all can't say I'm the best. I'm not the best blogger on this app. I came and got y'all live footage. Oh wow, gag. Thank you. I didn't know like what was going on in my neighborhood. Like, look, I can't believe. Look, she put the threes up. Look, she right. So POP, hold it down. Let them know. Big O Productions. Is that better, y'all? Did y'all see her when she said pushing 3? I hope y'all saw that. I try to give y'all live direct footage. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't help that the footage, my service get bad sometimes, y'all. It ain't my fault. I hope y'all saw the footage. I gave y'all live footage. Y'all better run me up, shit. Okay, which one is this, y'all? Is this Zoka, the female which one is this, y'all? The one with the baby in her hand. Who is this? Sheba? This is Sheba. Let me get some words with Sheba. Let me see. No, I'm too scared. I don't want to get too close. Okay, girl, you better yell them threes. Yell them threes. We hear you. Oh, 3-3. Say hey to Bigo, y'all. Go get the phone off the porch. Bitch, do you think I'm crazy? So what I found out, y'all, the white guy was the undercover. He was the undercover. Um, he was in there. He the one that got Nature Boy and them set up, and then the neighbors. So yeah, I can't tell y'all too much. Shut up, I'm right by the 12, y'all. I can't be out here talking too much now.
You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Can we do anything for you?
No, I'm just a neighbor. I'm concerned.
Okay,
Like,
hey,
I'm
we
just.
just want to make sure you're okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Y'all do y'all work. I'm not in y'all way. Period. You're welcome. All right, y'all. This is Charlie reporting live from Bigo News Channel 12. I'm here on a commercial break, letting you guys know that it's no joke. Nature Boy just got turned in. The cult 333 is on their way to 000s, honey. The cult has been turned around, honey, for the good and for the better. Okay, so Channel News 3, we're here live in living color for Bigo. Charlie with the T. I asked that all my admins make sure everybody follows me or kick them out. Make sure they follow me or kick them out and run me up, y'all. We almost at my fourth box. Let's go. Thank you. Thank y'all. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, thank y'all for doing y'all work, period. Make the neighborhood safe again, yes. Thank you, Teddy. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can't even read the comments. It's so many people in here. Okay, y'all, this is the closest I can get. I'm really close. Can't y'all tell how close I am? Thank you, y'all, for the gifts. I'm really close. Ain't that crazy? I'm right here. I gave y'all all the outside footage. All the top broadcasters, y'all owe me. Trina B, Brandon, Ebony, all y'all owe me because y'all gonna use this video for content. So, because I came out and I was bold enough to give y'all a different angle. So, Trina B, get ready to come in here and gift me, girl. Ain't nobody coming to your party. Flop. Tell Lo to get out the car. Let that bitch be bold. Many people that this house ain't that big though. For that many people, he had like 20 people in there, right? 20, 30 people. 13. Damn, that's still too much. Yes, CSI is here. Everybody's here. CSI is here, y'all. The feds is here. SWAT is here. Detectives is here. It's DeKalb County. DeKalb County. DeKalb County. DeKalb County. Hey, Brandon, you the Bigo in me. You got. All right, y'all. Double tap the screen. Make sure y'all follow me. Kick church out of here. I don't know. The fuck. Spam angel. I don't give a fuck about no church. Thank you. Y'all thought I was playing? Listen, y'all. Hi y'all, if y'all don't know who I am Charlie with the T, reporting live from Bigo News Channel 3. I'm here live and I'm asking that all my admins make sure everybody follows me in here or they're getting kicked out. Also, y'all, run me up. We're here live in living color, y'all. We just saw some of the ladies get in the cop car, y'all, and they went away and they were yelling, threes, threes, threes. What you doing out here?
I'm trying to see what's going on. What you doing out here? Where you going?
What you out here for?
Tea.
What's tea?
What I
What's tea?
bet you won't.
Boom.
I
I
bet
bet
you
I
won't.
did.
I
You
bet you won't.
bet I did. Sprayed it in
Why?
your face. Sprayed it in your face, bitch. Sprayed it in that face.
Behind me.
Why you running?
Who running?
Why you
You better
running?
keep it Cuban shortly.
Sprayed it in her hair, y'all. I sprayed it in her hair. She ain't do nothing. Lower punk. Lower punk. I just sprayed some shit in her hair. 3 times. Y'all saw it on camera. Sprayed some mace on her. Bitch scary. You big and bad. I'm doing it in front of cops. Now, let me get this bitch car information. Stupid ass bitch. This low car, y'all. This low car. Got the nerve to talk about my life. Chill. Chill. I gagged that hoe. Look, I gagged that bitch. I sprayed that bitch in her face. She over there maced. Ha ha ha, bitch. Girl, she told the cops, bitch, why would I run? Why would I stay? Girl, I handle my business. I did my ones and twos. I'm not finna stay, bitch. I sprayed her and the bitch ran. Got that bitch. Period. Period. I got my revenge. I got my revenge. The bitch over there like, oh my gosh, he didn't spray me. She turned around. I sprayed that big bitch again. Psh, got that bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Bitch gonna walk up on me thinking everything's sweet. Bitch, I see you in real life, ho.
He tried to pooch.
Already scared. I punked low. That bitch was scared and we got it on footage, bitch. Yeah. 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 Sissy. She don't know where I stay. Bitch, she can follow me if she want to. I don't fucking care. She broke the law, bitch. We could both do whatever. It's whatever. It's up and it's stuck. Y'all thought I wasn't finna do my big one? Bitch, you got me fucked up. And hello. Ahead, bitch. You thought you was finna dash right by me? Stupid ass bitch. Actually, it was a big one. Because I actually did something. Lo didn't do anything to me. So I'm confused. Lo pulled up at my house and didn't do anything. Lo pulled up at my house and didn't do anything, baby. So she pulled up in my neighborhood and didn't do anything. So, yeah. So I don't fucking care. I don't care. Bloop. Bloop. Why would I stay at the scene? Y'all so stupid talking about go back over. Why would I stay there? That bitch is a, right. Y'all say I'm a snitch, Lo's a snitch. So I gotta handle that bitch the way I wanted to handle her.
Can I just ask a question? I'm just so confused by this. So you was up there just doing your news reporter shit. Lo just pop up and just start walking by you.
Yeah, I start messing. Bitch forgot, like, you made threats. So when I see you, it's on site. I don't give a fuck
So
what it
wait,
is.
so was Lo live? What was she doing there? Was she just there to intimidate you? Like I'm just so confused. This shit is
Basically,
so
the bitch
weird.
walked right by me, being funny, being on some messy shit, and I did what needed to be done. Period.
That's some weird ass shit. Lo, you weird as fuck for that shit. That's
Yeah.
weird.
She came, she
And you
was trying
just
to do what
maced
I
her in
was
the
doing.
back of the
She was
head.
jealous. She was basically jealous because I came to Nature Boy house. I got all the views. I got the report. I got the news. And she's doing what I'm doing, the secondary news. She's copying me, the nigga with the formula.
So she just go stalk the nigga with the tea. That's what it is. She just go stalk the
Girl,
nigga with the
yes. And
tea.
I handled that bitch.
And
And you
she gonna
think you
serve
gonna
apple
walk right
juice.
by me, bitch? You think you gonna walk right by me and think everything cool? Bitch, bye.
Can we be fair? Be fair. Lo is the new L Queen and she got maced. She got
And
maced.
then
So
also,
she
let's
take
be
my
fair.
spot as the L
Low
Queen.
walked right by me 2 times. Bitch, you got all this energy threatening me.
Why was she
What's up?
walking by you? I don't understand. So was she just trying to intimidate you?
Basically, and the bitch didn't know I was with it. I don't give a fuck where I'm at. Bitch,
And
you
Lo
should
too
don't
big
roll
to
up where
be
I'm at, bitch.
intimidating people. It's either beat they ass Low or don't because you too big for that. You Low. You a ass beater. You're not supposed to be doing what you're doing. You it's
Admins, get them.
giving
I don't care what they say.
teddy
Y'all talk
bear.
about Low didn't do. Low did do something. She pulled up in my neighborhood and I was gonna handle that house. So if y'all don't understand, I don't give a
And
fuck.
she was trying to find where he lived and shit. And now she tried to intimidate him by the police. She tried to get him set up to go. Well, Charlie, I'm just gonna go back to the comments. I want to say you handled that well. I'm glad you got hot sauce and pepper spray all up in her motherfucking nappy ass ponytail with her big burly hefty ass. And I want to let her know that treadmill ain't doing shit for her.
Girl, y'all thought I was gonna be stupid and sit there, bitch, trying to say, girl, please, please, bitch, gonna brush me thinking everything
Yes,
gonna be
because y'all
sweet.
motherfuckers is weird. First y'all coming here telling him low coming, low wants you, you low this and that. Then when he pepper sprayed a bitch, y'all mad. So oh motherfucking well, pull up or shut the fuck up. She
Yeah,
pulled up,
low
got
and,
pepper
and low
sprayed, and
didn't
that's
do
that's what
anything.
it
And
is.
then I got low car information. Like, this bitch so stupid. That
The
was
fuck
low
y'all
car. I
bitches
saw low get
weird.
out the car. I saw low get out the car, baby. Low was definitely scared. I had the camera
Exactly.
on low. You saw it, Melon. I had the camera on low literally 3 times.